We're learning how to pronounce the name Sethe. Let's get started. So, Sethe is a name that appears in Toni Morrison's famous novel Beloved. Some people find it a little tricky to pronounce, but don't worry, I've got you covered. There are actually two common pronunciations. SEH-thuh like Beth with an S sound, SEE-thuh a variation some people use, though less common. The pronunciation that Toni Morrison confirmed is SEH-thuh rhymes with Beth-uh. Let's break it down. SEH, like the beginning of seventh-thuh, like the thuh sound in mother. Now, let's say it together. Sethe, 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 Sethe. 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 Great job! Now you can confidently say Sethe like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more pronunciation guides.